What's your definition of team? And this is what I'm asking because I know where she's coming from, but you know, there's a lot of coaches out there that are not coaches. There's a lot of teams out there that are not teams. And so, you know, anybody to say like, oh, they're a mean person or they're this and that, y'all know I go attitude reflects leadership right here. And so there's a lot of fall there, but I want to know because when you know you're on a team, it is a team. So I want to just get like, what is your definition of team?
People who love and support each other through everything. People who can talk to each other when they're mad and upset. And like you can work through things together no matter what. And just like, I don't know, like no one's like mean to each other. Everyone always like wants to pick each other up. No one's against each other.
So that's what I want to hear. Because there's a lot of times where there's so much competition within and it doesn't work. And so, you know, as I said, collaboration, because one of the things we've always said is that, you know, one of the things is like some of y'all are not going to like each other off the mat, but when you're on the mat, you will respect each other. You work for each other. You know what I mean? And so there is that underlying, like, this is where you are. You're not going to be best friends forever, but right here, if you're going to be on this team, this is what this team represents.
And like, you can hold each other accountable. Like, if I see someone like slacking, like we love each other that much that I can be like, come on, like, let's go. What are you doing? We're a team. Let's go. Let's all be the best we can be.
Absolutely. What would you say one of your greatest highlights is as far as cheer? What was one of your greatest moments? If you can.
I have a lot.
Ooh, tell us a one, a good one. Yeah, or you can tell us many.
Definitely the first time winning Summit, which is nationals, was like the best feeling ever. Cause I've never like won before. Cause I was like when I kind of just started cheer. And then when we triple crown, when we won NCAA cheer sport and UCA and won Summit. And yeah, winning every time is like the best feeling.
And what does it feel like to lose? Cause you've lost too. What does it feel like to lose?
So we lost Summit one time. Actually twice. One was like COVID. We got second, which was like fine. I was really happy even just getting second because that was like COVID. But we actually lost in 2024. And that was like the worst feeling I've ever felt.
And just to add on to that, you guys were undefeated the entire season.
Yeah.
Wow.
So her team was undefeated and it was pretty much like the final, like, picture, if you want to think about it, Summit being like football.
The Super Bowl of cheerleading.
It's the Super Bowl of cheerleading, and they all fumbled to the ground on their final, and they were undefeated the entire. So it was almost like, but it humbled them.
I was going to ask, as a team, how did you guys bounce back from that?
Oh, we bounced back. Like the next season, like we didn't play any games. We all held each other accountable. Like that's why we triple crowned. Like we knew that we never wanted to feel that feeling again. I never wanted to feel that. Like none of us did. I even wrote an essay about it for one of my college classes because it impacted me a lot. And I knew that I would never like let anything happen to me or my team to let something like that happen again.
So it sounds like to me that this is really like a part of you. Like cheer is a part of you. Like it's who you are. You know, because sometimes people take on sports or, you know, different activities just to do it and not that anything's wrong with it, but this seems like it's a part of who you are.
Yeah. And I love seeing her, and being her mom and watching her do all this has been very different for me because, you know, I was like a sports girly. Like I played volleyball, soccer, softball. I did all the like boys sports, the Nellinator, and she's Annihilator, by the way.
Yeah.
So isn't that funny? That's her nickname. But that was me. I didn't know what cheer was. I was never into cheer. And so seeing her be passionate about something that I can't even relate to is amazing. I've learned so much, and I'm still not a pro, but I definitely don't feel like a cheer mom because I'm not all into it and I still don't know a lot of things. But seeing my daughter in general, like I said, it does for her mental health, how it got her through so much and how passionate and disciplined, and it's just teaching her so much outside of the mat.